Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called an all-party meeting tomorrow ahead of the budget session, seeking cooperation of the opposition in the smooth functioning of the parliament. And for more details, consulting editor Smita is joining us from New Delhi. Smita, can you give us details of what is on the agenda of this meeting?
You see, as just said, it is very clear that the government and especially the Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself wants to give a clear message to the country that he is constantly in favor of engaging with the opposition, not only for the passage of crucial bills, but also for a smooth functioning of the entire parliament session. We have seen in the past, in the previous sessions of parliament, that the Prime Minister himself, senior ministers of his cabinet like Mr. Arun Jaitley, Mr. M. Venkaiah Naidu, Mr. Nitin Gadkari and others have been trying to constantly engage with leaders of prominent opposition parties, whether it is national parties like the Congress or leaders of regional parties, and trying to convince them about the efforts of the government in bringing crucial legislations which are not only aimed at kick-starting our economy, reform-based legislations, but at the same time, there are also many legislations pending in Parliament which are meant for the welfare of the people. So on the one hand, we have reform-oriented legislations. On the other hand, we have legislations aimed at improving social conditions of our people. But it has been very unfortunate in the past that the opposition on one pretext or the other, most of the time on issues which are not issues of governance, has thwarted the government's efforts to get these bills passed. But then, as we saw in the previous session, the Prime Minister himself invited Srimati Sonia Gandhi and former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Similarly, other leaders of senior parties have been consulted. They have been requested to bury political and ideological differences so that these crucial bills can be passed and real work can begin. In keeping with the same tradition and the same effort, even this time, the Prime Minister has made this move of inviting prominent leaders of political parties of Parliament. And we hope that even though an atmosphere is being built up in the country, especially in the national capital, where issues which are not related to development are being fanned among the people, especially the youth, to derail the development focus of the government. It is hoped that when parties meet tomorrow with the Prime Minister and leaders of the government, they will leave these issues aside and concentrate on passing important legislations in this very important session.
Right, Smita, thank you. Thank you very much for joining us with that detailed update.